Okay, so how's the sound here? The weather got finally better and we're heading up the mountain in Tirana. And this is life during pandemic in Albania. Fucking awesome. Everything open. So now we are like 10 minutes in and it finally started going up pretty much, and we are soon to be in the final destination, I think. Alright, so this park is actually awesome. You can do so many things, like you can ride a buggy, you can check out some secret bunkers, and you can even shoot from a rifle, which I did, and it was a lot of fun.
You filming?
So, yeah, it's filming.
Okay. Yes, you
So
look.
it's
You look
already
here.
loaded?
Yes, yes. You shoot the balloon, okay?
Alright.
Keep it distance for the scope. Wait, distance. Okay.
Is it strong? No.
Oh, wait.
Good?
Yes.
Alright,
Okay.
nice. Thanks. Awesome.